What a time to be a Barcelona fan, man. On one hand, you have Lionel Messi, the greatest player their club has ever seen. On the other hand, his successor. And why am I talking about those two? It's Argentina versus Spain in the World Cup final, guys. Welcome back to Set Piece Chaos. And today is the day that we talk about the GOAT and his successor. Last night's match between Argentina and England was a blockbuster. Not up until England scored, but after that, what happened was mind boggling. मैं ये चीज़ किसको समझा पाऊंगा जिसने वो मैच नहीं देखी कि दोनों बहुत ज़्यादा इक्वल टर्म्स पे चल रहे थे। जैसे मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियो में भी प्रेडिक्ट करा था कि यही होना है। बोथ ऑफ द टीम आर डॉग फाइटर्स। दे विल मेक इट रफ, दे विल मेक इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर द अपोजिंग टीम। बट अगेन एट द सेम टाइम आफ्टर इंग्लैंड स्कोर्ड, उसके बाद टुचेल ने जो करा है भाई, मुझे एक डाउट है, ये लोग पास्ट मैचेस एनालाइज नहीं करते क्या? लाइक डज इंग्लैंड हैव सच अ पुअर सेट ऑफ sports data analytics team? I have no clue because an amateur like me or anyone who views football in general knew कि Egypt, Switzerland, Cape Verde all did the very same thing. अर्जेंटीना के ऊपर आप अगर गोल मार के ऑल डिफेंसिव चले जाओगे, दे विल बम्बार्ड यू विथ कांस्टेंट अटैक्स. यू कैनॉट गो ऑल मैन डिफेंस अगेंस्ट अ टीम हु वर्क्स एज अ यूनिट, हु वर्क्स एज अ पैक. एंड आपने वही करा. I have no words, man. I have no words. Last night's match, last night's loss was on Tuchel, was on Thomas Tuchel. You can't even change my mind because इस अर्जेंटीन टीम के अगेंस्ट आप फुल डिफेंसिव जा रहे हो फ्रॉम द 60th मिनट. जब से गॉर्डन ने वो गोल मारा है, यू वेंट ऑल डिफेंसिव ऑन देम. कम ऑन मैन, व्हाट वर यू इवन एक्सपेक्टिंग? वहां पर मतलब क्या एमाचोर्स खेलते हैं क्या? एंड व्हाट अ स्ट्राइक बाय एंजो फर्नांडिस. उस बंदे ने 5-6 अटेम्प्ट्स ले चुका था वो बिफोर ही स्कोर्ड दैट वन पर्टिकुलर गोल. एंड डू नॉट ब्लेम इट ऑन पिकफोर्ड बिकॉज उस बंदे ने भी सेव्स अच्छे खासे करे थे. बट देन अगेन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, Lautaro Martinez worked in as a super sub. Enzo Fernandez with a wonderful strike. But इन सब के बीच में वो दो दो गोल्स किसने क्रिएट करे पता है? You know the answer. The star man of the Argentinian national team, the greatest of all time, the messiah for I don't know how many people in the world. It's Luis Lionel Andres Messi. If you look at it, people इस फ्रांस टीम को बहुत ज़्यादा हाइप कर रहे हैं दैट दे आर वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट टीम्स एवर असेंबल्ड, अ बंच ऑफ सुपरस्टार्स, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. थिंक अबाउट इट. अर्जेंटीना played in three of the last four World Cup finals: 2014, 2022, 2026. They missed out on this particular stage only in 2018. And you're telling me कि फ्रांस सबसे ज़्यादा dominating team रही है over the past entire decade? Come on, man. मतलब 2014, 22, 26, एक रनर अप, एक बार जीत गए हैं, and this time it's going to be an absolute blockbuster because if we are talking about the Spanish national side, they are not just random kids. They are a bunch of superstars themselves. And tactically, if you ask me, I'll give that particular edge to De La Fuente's side over Scaloni's side. For those who are not aware, De La Fuente, Spain's manager, Scaloni, Argentina's manager. Tactically, again, I would say Spain is better. But again, let's not get ahead of ourselves. The narrative is कि लोग जितना ज़्यादा स्पेन फ्रांस को चढ़ाते थे ना, I think Argentina deserved that particular same hype, plus minus. But again, Lamine Yamal versus लियोनेल मेसी. आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों को पता है ये चीज़? मुझे नहीं पता. सो बेसिकली यूरोज जो जीतता है, दे आर द यूरोपियन चैंपियंस, एंड द लास्ट यूरोपियन चैंपियन और द करंट यूरोपियन चैंपियन इज स्पेन. एंड साउथ अमेरिका का जो कंपटीशन है कोपा अमेरिका, उसका करंट विनर है अर्जेंटीना. सो देयर वाज सपोज टू बी अ फ्रेंडली बैटल, फ्रेंडली कह लो, ऑल्दो अ ट्रॉफी वाज इन्वॉल्व्ड. इट वाज कॉल्ड फाइनलिसिमा. The winner of the Euros was supposed to go head to head with the winner of the Copa America. So by default, it was supposed to be Spain versus Argentina, Lamine Yamal versus Lionel Messi. वो पर्टिकुलर टूर्नामेंट कैंसिल कर दिया गया ड्यू टू सम ऑफ द रीजंस विच इंक्लूडेड कि फुटबॉलर्स आर प्लेइंग वे टू मच, इतना ज़्यादा शेड्यूल पैक है, ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट इट्स अ वर्ल्ड कप ईयर. सो वो पर्टिकुलर मैच कैंसिल और मे बी पोस्टपोन कर दिया गया. टॉक अबाउट द स्क्रिप्ट फ्रॉम द फुटबॉलिंग गॉड्स. उन्होंने एक वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल को ही फाइनलिसिमा बना दिया. The match, which was supposed to be a friendly trophy, friendly tournament, friendly match against the greatest of all time and his successor, फुटबॉलिंग गॉड्स ने उस पूरे स्क्रिप्ट को ही बदल के सबसे एंटिसिपेटेड एंड सबसे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मैच ऑफ एनी प्लेयर्स करियर, उस मैच को बना दिया है. स्पेन वर्सेस अर्जेंटीना is going to be hell of a blockbuster. And you know what a day it is to be a Barcelona fan. I am envious of my friends who are Barcelona fans because they are eating good, bhai. They are eating actually good. Because I'll tell you something. So, आज से अगर आप 6-7 साल पहले देखो, people were kind of sad and ashamed to call themselves Barcelona fans. May not be everyone, this does not apply to everyone, but many of them, जैसे अभी मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड की हालत हुई है, वैसे ही बार्सिलोना फैंस की हालत थी. दे हैड नो जॉय इन देयर लाइफ बिकॉज देयर rival was dominating. Their rival's goat was in his prime. Barcelona was not doing so well. Lionel Messi was not doing so well. They had bits and pieces of joy, but yeah, you understand. जो लोग बार्सिलोना को इस टफ टाइम में फॉलो करते हैं, they know what they have been through. At that point of time, Real Madrid fans were in cloud nine. Okay, Ronaldo fans were the same. अगर आप लास्ट पूरा डेकेड देखो, it has been all about Cristiano and Madrid. UCL three-peat, Euros, UEFA Confederation Cup, नहीं क्या है, सुपर नेशंस लीग, या सॉरी माय बैड. सो उसके बाद उस टाइम पे, जिस टाइम पे बार्सिलोना फैंस का इतना नेगेटिव या फिर डाउन टाइम चल रहा था ना, दैट टाइम दे हैव ईटन ऑल द शिट दैट दे कैन, एंड मद्रिद फैंस and Cristiano fans have given them shit, have given them their fair amount of shit. And now, how the tables have turned. How the tables have turned since, especially since 2022, or we can say 2019. Point is, कि this is the beauty of time and football. This is the absolute beauty of time and football, कि it changes. No one stays on top. No one has the bantering rights forever. आप किसी भी पॉइंट की बात कर लो. You can talk about the legacy that Manchester United had over Manchester City. Now the tables have turned. The legacy that, let's say, Argentina were facing a downtime and all the Messi haters were enjoying, that narrative changed as well. So it's like time and football changes. That's the best part about this. And as I said, I'm envious, not jealous, I'm envious of many of my friends. Like most of my friends, they are Messi and Barcelona supporters, some of my close ones as well. Uh, Abhi, Meet, Sanket, even my own father, all of them have slept peacefully, joyfully last night because Lionel Messi will be playing his third final with the Argentinian national team in the World Cup. And especially for my father, हमारे घर में हमेशा बैंटरिंग चलती थी. आई यूज्ड टू बी अ ह्यूज क्रिस्टियानो फैन एंड ही इज अ ह्यूज लियोनेल मेसी फैन. And today morning when I called him, he was happy. He was not bothered about the fact that Messi is playing his third final. He was happy about it, but he was not bothered about ki I will rub it on a Cristiano Ronaldo fan's face. I was happy because of that. I was like, ki, yes, you have achieved it. Be happy about it. Why are you even trying to bother someone जो भाई इस पॉइंट पे इतना ज्यादा relevant भी नहीं है? Why do you want to rub it on another's face? The people that I respect, uh, Barcelona fans या Messi fans, are some of these people. जिन जिन लोगों का मैंने नाम लिया, I know they are happy that Messi has reached where he reached. But I know for a matter of fact, they won't try to rub it on any, not me, any क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो के फैन के फेस के ऊपर कि वो हाँ देखो क्रिस्टियानो नहीं पहुंचा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एंड आई बिलीव दैट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ मैच्योरिटी दैट्स द सिल्वर लाइनिंग of being childish, dickhead, and being mature enough to understand what football is about. So again, with all due respect, I don't know आप में से कितने लोगों ने मेरे शॉर्ट्स या इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज वगैरह देखे होंगे नहीं. I was pretty happy myself as a football fan. जिनको बिलीव करना है करे, जिनको नहीं करना है ना करे, because people say कि I am not a neutral fan because I'm a Madrid fan. Well, I can appreciate greatness where it is supposed to be appreciated. Last night I was happy. I was watching with one of my core friends, with Sanket, and he was overjoyed like anything. And I was happy about not only about Messi, but I was happy watching him because this means so much. Me as a Cristiano fan, I will never experience this, but I was happy that at least he was able to experience it. So again, what a day it is to be a Barcelona fan. As a neutral, I am really very happy that it will be a super blockbuster. And to be very honest, I don't care कि भाई कौन हारता है, because इस पूरे मैच में like हारने वाला पॉइंट नहीं है. It's a win for both sides. Even if Messi wins, he is already number one. There's nothing left to prove. He is winning it for fun. Obviously to build उसकी लेगेसी को आप क्या ही डिफाइन करोगे. वो ऑलरेडी, इवन इफ अगर वो ग्रुप स्टेज से भी बाहर हो जाता, he would have been hashtag one in football history. And on the other hand, you have Lamine Yamal. Now Yamal has a lot to play for, but he is just 19. वो अभी भी 5 वर्ल्ड कप मिनिमम खेल लेगा, 4 चलो. And the kind of team De La Fuente and Spain has, and the kind of synergy that they have, they will win it this time or the next time or whatsoever it is. So, irrespective of क्या होता है इस मैच में, I would be supporting the ones who are winning as well as losing as well, because मैं banter नहीं करने वाला. You can uh, watch this video and slap it on my face if I ever start bantering either of these two, because भाई I see no losers in this particular match. Yes, वो मेडल मैटर करता है, yes वो ट्रॉफी मैटर करती है, बट इवन एज न्यूट्रल, मतलब बासा फैंस की तो मैं बात भी नहीं कर रहा, इवन एज न्यूट्रल आई सी नो लूजर्स इन दिस पर्टिकुलर मैच. इट्स अ विन विन. On top of that, there is the point of prediction as well. I really don't want to predict who's going to be the winner, because as I said, it's a 50-50 for me. um, एक और मैच है अभी भी पेंडिंग, विच इज France versus England. And if you ask me very honestly, you might hate me for it, but I don't really fucking care about the third place. I really don't. I don't even remember 2022 में third place पे कौन आया था. It was Croatia. I remember. But yeah, the point stays. The point is, I really don't fucking care who has the number third spot. इस मामले में भी we are just talking about number one and number two. But as I said, in this particular match, there is no loser. I am least bit of bothered about the third rank. So yeah, Sunday रात को match है. I'll try to stay live on Insta. But even if I'm not live, I will definitely post the reactions. So whosoever is watching the video, try to drop a comment in the comment section. It is always helpful. If not for me, then at least for the algorithm, वीडियो बूस्ट हो जाते हैं भाई. ट्राई टू ड्रॉप अ कमेंट, बिकॉज अगेन एज यूजुअल इट्स अ नो फिल्टर जोन. गाली ही दे दो चाहे तो, ठीक है. सी यू गाइज.